Hey everyone, hello and welcome to my channel English Ka Bukhar. Let's start with a story. But before that, if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe it. The Kind Parrot. In a dense forest, a kind parrot lived on a tall mango tree. He shared the sweet mangoes with other birds and animals. All the birds loved him because he was always helpful. One day, a strong storm hit the forest. Many trees fell and nests were destroyed. The parrot's tree remained standing, but a little injured sparrow sat shivering on a broken branch. Seeing her pain, the parrot plucked a ripe mango and gave it to her. Eat this and you'll feel better, he said kindly. A hunter passing by saw the sparrow's kindness. He was touched and thought such a bird should not be caged. Instead of catching birds, he decided to protect them. From that day, he planted more trees and gave food to the birds. The forest became a safe place for all birds. The kind parrot continued to help others, and the animals lived happily together. Moral: kindness always comes back in unexpected ways.